It's a beautiful evening to raise some wonderful funds for a great cause. JAHJAH is on its way up, and every year we keep getting better and better.
important for me to be here today because JAHJAH Foundation is doing a wonderful job in Jamaica. People in Jamaica really need health care and dental care, and medical insurance in Jamaica extremely high, so the lower class, the poorer people in Jamaica is not able to afford it. So JAHJAH Foundation is doing a wonderful job. Lorraine Phillips, the president of the Jamaican Nurses Association of New Jersey.
Hi, I'm Deja Eubanks Grant.
Right, ma'am, why are you here today?
So I'm here to support this boat ride. I've known Dr. Dixon prior to him becoming Dr. Dixon, but I think what he's doing is a worthy cause, and anything that's in support of Jamaica is extremely important to support. So I'm here to support, and I wish Dr. Dixon and his mission all the best and all the success.
My name is Cheyenne Smith.
All right, please tell me what's your reason for being here today supporting the JAHJAH Foundation?
Because I am a Jamaican and I'm here to support my country.
Tina.
Tina, why was it so important for you to be here today?
Because I always feel like it's the right thing to do to give back, and I'm in a position to give back, so I'm here today to support a worthy cause.
The reason why we are here is York Castle Alumni Association. We are collaborated with JAHJAH Foundation, and we are planning a program at York Castle High School to start a pre-med and pre-dental program at the high school, and also to have JAHJAH Foundation to use York Castle High School as a hub in Brownstown Center to provide medical attention to the community, and also to have the students get involved especially into in the medical field. So that's one of the reasons why we support JAHJAH Foundation always. My name is Dwight Clark, and I'm the president for the York Castle Alumni Association New York chapter.
You know, you have to come on one of our missions to really see the in and out of what we do day to day when we're on our mission. So many people in line to get healthcare services. It's a worthwhile cause. It's doing for all those in need. All I have to say is support us, because all the funds are going to the people, to the communities in need.
Hi, my name is Dr. Dixon with the JAHJAH Foundation. I'm here on the beautiful Cornucopia cruise line for the JAHJAH Foundation Fundraiser 2019, the summer cruise, trying to raise funds for the much needed health needs in Jamaica, health and education. Last year our cruise line had some issues, we didn't actually sail, but this year we came here to the boardwalk, and we sailed without a hitch. The Cornucopia crew was excellent, and our guests are most impressed with the quality of the boat. It's a beautiful boat, and it's a beautiful night in New York City. It's not too hot, and it's not too cold. It's June, and it's about 80 degrees, and it's a little bit cool on the water, which is perfect. I'm here on the top deck. This is a 3-level boat, luxury boat, as I said. Our fundraiser, we charge a minimal, mere $125, and it takes cash to care. And don't look at it as $125. It's a donation that you're making to the investment for the healthcare in Jamaica. Thank you for choosing the JAHJAH Foundation. Please donate online to the JAHJAHfoundation.org. That's JAHJAH Foundation.org. Enjoy the cruise, and if you're not here this year, we'll see you next year. Thank you.
You want to get your fix? You want the cheese sticks? We have the remix. From the other day, like a place of water.
There's a lot of people I want to thank, and if I forget you, please forgive me, but there are some key people who made this happen tonight, and many of you will know them, okay? First, I want to thank the Jacoby crew, and the whole Bronx crew, NCB, Montefiore, Malvika Johnson, Rosemary Mason, Sophia Phillips, Michelle Minto, Janet Blythe, and the whole crew. Miss Elliot, big up yourself, pushing the day about one crew. Brooklyn crew, Monica McCain, Lutheran Hospital, Methodist Hospital, where you there? Then they are? Okay. Kenesha Clark, Jamaica Nurses Association of New York, and of course Jamaica Nurses Association of New Jersey is always represented here also. Monica Dixon, the whole team from Beulah Church of the Nazarene, Bedford Zion Church of the Nazarene, Renee and the whole Kings County Wyckoff Hospital crew, Paul Manning, big up yourself, Gene Powell, Joan Rose Green from the Downstate Medical Center, Kings County again. Michelle Taylor. Long Island and Queens, we have Claudia Powell. And few numbers too not to mention behind our name. But let's just call it the Jamaica diaspora itself is here. Trev John Realty, Long Island. Rawl and America. And the rest of the Touch of Blue. The Touch of Blue crew from Spanish Town Road. Cockburn Pen in the house. They sold a lot of tickets for us tonight. The Sudlow crew, not Scarlett and the crew. Brownstown crew and Yardcastle crew. They're there. Big up on yourself. Dwight Clark, thank you for the effort in making this happen tonight. The volunteers, Bridget Doyle, I want to wish Bridget's daughter happy birthday. She spent her birthday on the boat ride with us, Nicole Joseph. We won't say her age, she's very, very young. Thank you for spending your birthday with us. Calvin and Angie Taylor, where are they? They're spending their anniversary with the JAHJAH Foundation. Now what you say? Big up on yourself. Dr. Jackie Smith, one of our volunteers. She had about 50 people with her. Big up herself. And she's a Jamaican now. How are you say? Okay. Dr. Jackie McLean and all the board members, Andy Roberts. I want to thank all the volunteers who support us. So the volunteers who've been with us since day one. We started in a very small restaurant in Hackensack, New Jersey. And I mention that because Jackie and her husband Danny Figueroa is here tonight. One of my co-workers from Beth Israel, she's here. Aisha Banda. Yeah, and her husband Joe is here. Thank you for supporting us. The Pelham Bay and the Split Rock Golf Course. Special thanks to Emil Sundlo for having them donate their grand prize to us. If you want to play golf, please support the Pelham Bay and Split Rock Golf Course up there in the Bronx, from over in the area. The Grand Palladium Resorts for providing one of our grand prize tonight. Team Jamaica Bickle. Aaron Clay would have been here, but he's afraid of boat. He can't swim. Okay? Thank Erwin and Team Jamaica Bickle. They gave us a donation tonight, even though they weren't here. And my friend Farouk from New York Baptist Medical Center for donating the US Open tickets. And I want to thank the whole New York Baptist Medical Center crew. Anybody from New York Baptist is here? I want to thank Darryl Terry, the CEO, for always supporting us. As I mentioned that our desk, you guys came to the desk tonight and nobody could pass the gate. You understand me? Nobody could cross it because we had Shonda Davis at the gate and she's tough. Everybody who knows JAHJAH Foundation knows her. So we gave people them firm because we know Jamaicans stay. A charity and then still along the wrong way. Can I get a round of applause for our one and only DJ Ricky Genius? Have you seen us? One after that board. Can I get a round of applause for our DJ Ricky Genius? Intellect Sound, have you seen us? Our Garvin Gray, who is our videographer, you'll see his work later. And our wonderful photographer, Mr. Mary.
See up the last name.
Yeah, he's the one that's taking all your beautiful pictures tonight, right? And our security have been very cordial. They said this is a wonderful crowd. They felt guilty for even charging us tonight, but there was nothing for them to do. And we want to thank the Cornucopia Cruise Line for supporting us tonight. And give them a round of applause, please. Cornucopia Cruise Line. The first thing flat, let them come back strong, not true? Yeah, man. So I hope to see you guys next year. We have November 2nd will be our annual black tie dinner. It's called, what's it, William? Gold Glitter Glamour. Saturday, November 2nd, 2019. And you know how JAHJAH Foundation, you know we do it already, right? And guess who's going to be the DJ? Ricky Genius, have you seen us, right? Alright? So you know everything's safe. Big up Japan, my brother-in-law. Big up the whole crew. Thank my sisters and my family for being here with me tonight. All those people who missed the boat, tell me I feel bad. My wife missed the boat too, right? So not sorry for me, not sorry for you. Alright? Definitely leave early. Early to bed, early to rise. Yes, Christian Manchester, I come from. Big up on yourself. Good time, man. Selector.